How do I make shiny butterflies the quick and easy way? Hello, I'm Karen Sliwinski and welcome to one of my How Do I short videos. So today I'm going to be working with the Happiest Day set and we're going to be using this butterfly. It's so adorable. And I'm going to start out with some Memento Black. We're going to stamp the body of our butterfly. So ink that up and I'm just going to put this right here on my scrap of paper. All right, and then I think I'm going to be using Daffodil Delight and Pumpkin Pie. So let me grab those two colors. So start out with my Daffodil Delight for my big, I was gonna say big petals. They're not petals. For the big leaves here. Leaves. Oh my goodness gracious. These are not leaves. These are butterfly wings. Oh my goodness. It must be just too early in the day. So there, I'm stamping that. I'm going to switch over to my pumpkin pie for the other set of wings or petals or leaves or whatever you want to call these things. And so let me get that. Okay. So now this is where the trick comes in. So what I have is my packing tape gun. So I'm going to pull off a little segment of the packing tape. And I am just going to put that right over my butterfly. So now it is nice and shiny. So then, here, let's get rid of some of this little extra tape because we don't want that just sticking around. Ha ha ha. Pun intended. And now I have to fussy cut this butterfly. So I'm going to do that and I will speed up the video. All right, so there you have your shiny butterfly, and it was so quick and easy. And you can see how the shine is on it. And you can do this with just about any element. So you could do it with labels, you could do it with flowers, you could do it with anything that fits the size of your packing tape. I also have another video where I showed some other ways to make things shiny. But I wanted to show you the card that I made with my shiny butterflies. So here I just used my Modern Oval punch to do my sentiment spot. I used a little sparkly ribbon, added some gems, and I've got my beautiful shiny card with all these beautiful butterflies bling just about everywhere on it. And there is the inside. And isn't that so adorable? So I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.